Testing. Okay, back to work. So I'm currently working on redoing the animated background for my game. Because one of the things I've realized is I don't really like how the balls I have in the background, right? I don't like how they're not very uniformly distributed. So sometimes it comes across as looking pretty weird, especially when taking screenshots. Yeah, so I want to fix that. And I feel like the only reliable way of doing that would be to manually draw the background in myself. So I have like backgrounds like this. It looks like this, right? But I will send this background into the shader, which I use to render my background, and this texture will inform how the background will look, right? I'm not going to just paste this texture onto the background as is, right? I will be doing the necessary calculations to determine what color to put, what's the size of each of this opt. So yeah, we shall see. Anyways, let me just work on this thing here. House amount. This stat function will determine how big the stars will be. So maybe I can just put pulse amount in here. Let's see how that goes. I'm not entirely sure if I need to redraw this texture, to be honest. Like, is it big enough? Do I need to blur it more? Any questions? Yeah. Pulse amount. Let me think about this one. Pulse amount. And to map from one range to another. Map this scale offset. Let me think. Scale size always have 1. Okay. 1 to 1.75. Got it. to map this range. Hang on. Huge beat. Huge beat. To map 1 to 1.75 to 0.4 to 1.0. Something offset. What was it again? Forgot the name. Scale offset, there you go. Scale offset was originally used to determine the the size of my meta ball, but I will repurpose it for this. Okay, let's see if anything changes. Hope this works. If you're using player pref, I think it's not safe in the registry for web browsers. It's safe somewhere else. It's safe somewhere else. You have to look it up. Just a moment. Yeah, working on your story game now. On HTML5 save data. I remember it's safe somewhere. It's safe in this web storage or something. I think it's this one. It will be saved here, I think. I do not know if it's persistent though. I do not know. It probably is, but I could be wrong. Oh no. Yeah, I do. My 6 is wrong. Undefined value. This one, C undefined. What? Zero, 0.5, 0.2. Oh, M. What the hell is M? Wait, M is here. F10. F10. M is 0.4. C is 0. Why does it crash? Hang on. Oh, hang on. Not yet. It only crash when I start. So, oh damn, I'm using MapBranch here as well. Am I using MapBranch here? Nope. Okay. 1.75, 0.41. Val is undefined. That's not good. Why is it undefined? It should not be undefined. It's here. Why is it undefined? Should not be undefined though. Val1 undefined. Yeah, that's sorry, that's weird. It's not supposed to be undefined. Let me try again. It says 1 here. No, not yet. I want to fix the background issue. I'm trying to make the background a bit more uniform. Pause amount. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! What? Oh my goodness, syntax. Okay, got it. How did this compile? Goodness. Releasing next month. August. Trying to release in August. I need to get the background fixed first. I want to fix the issue where some people feel like the level is a bit empty, right? So I want to get the background working right. They're coming up with a few ways. I tried the full random approach. Doesn't always work. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's not okay. Doesn't look very decent when you take screenshots. So I'm trying out tried a different approach yesterday, but there's still some performance issue. So I'm trying a new approach. Yeah, background is my bane. I usually spend a lot of time on it, even for my previous projects. You can kind of see the ball going upwards. Wait, the beat is going the opposite way. Oh, the background is just... Which one? The previous one or this one? Wouldn't it feel more full if it's the other thing with the background object? I couldn't get the background object to look right, and I don't want to draw 99 variations of that, right? You know, right? Like to finish a project, we have to work within the constraint. So that's one thing lah, right? So I'm trying to get the abstract background to look more evenly distributed, which I guess is what you mean by full, right? Yeah. To get it to look more evenly distributed, I just have to hand draw it lor. Have to hand draw it. But it's pulsing the opposite. I'm not sure if you notice, it's pulsing the wrong way. Hang on, why is it pulsing the wrong way? Can I draw a few props and arrange them differently for the levels? I tried, right? I tried, that was what I did earlier. But you notice, right, the scanlines doesn't work well with a small with the small doodads that I was drawing. It just doesn't work well. The scanline will break the shape of all the small background items that I was drawing in the background. So it's either I draw really big decorations, right, or I do something else completely. You notice I was like in my mockup, right? I had a brick wall. Let me show you my brick wall. In one of my mockup, I have a brick wall. Hang on, where is it? Do I still have it? You notice this brick wall here? This brick wall looks freaking ugly because of the scanline. Like here it looks okay, but once I have the scanline in, right, it looks super terrible. It looks super terrible. Then just don't use the wall. Yeah, but the same problem still exists for every other thing, right? Like you see this thing? All these horizontal lines, right, just doesn't work because it goes against the scan lines. But then I also don't want to remove the scan lines. The scan line is there, you know, as a way to provide a certain vibe. It's also a way to mask my lack of like artistic prowess, right? So you know, the scan lines just hides a lot of stuff, makes it feel like classier than it actually is. Alright, you see all these things? Yeah, all these things just doesn't work with the scan lines. The ladder is even worse. So which means that I cannot like have minute details. I need to draw big things in the background. And if I'm doing that, I might as well like go for something that changes the entire background. Yeah, it's a lot of trial and error. I remember I have to redo the background for Serious Scramblers as well. Background is always the one that's given me a lot of trouble. The rest, it just doesn't work with the scanline. That is the only issue. Yeah, of course there's also the workload issue. That's the workload issue. Don't want to extend the lifetime of the project. I want to finish this project. Okay, for some reason my map range is wrong. I don't know why. Your smart again. Yeah, I know, right? It already takes 10 months there. Like, why would I want to extend the lifespan of the project? I wanted to finish it in 2 months. Look at it now. 10 months, still going. It's the polishing. I mean, I can theoretically stop polishing, or I can go like, you know what, I don't need a background. And in theory, it will still work. But I think I can push it a little bit more. Hey, hello. Hello, Black Rock Titan. Hello there. How goes your horror game? Having a lot of troubles with coming out with a decent background for the game. Fact is, you gotta see the effort in putting the background and how much it contributes to the game. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. How much does it contribute? Yeah, at the moment I'm not sure if it contributes much. But I've already taken this step, right? I might as well finish it. Let me just let me see if I can. It's a subtle background. You can see it pulsing, right? But I do not know why it's pulsing in the wrong direction. It's supposed to go from big to small, not small to big. What's going on? What's wrong with my range mapping? Huh. They have a deadline of 25th July, which feels a bit optimistic right now. Yeah. I wanted to finish this project in 2 months, but it's been like 10 months already. Oh my goodness. It's really difficult to finish a project. If people don't notice it. Yeah, I will tweak the visibility. I'll tweak the visibility. But I don't necessarily need people to see it. I want them to feel it, if that makes sense. Because sometimes, like, if you have subtle effects in the background, right? Especially if they react to music, you can sometimes feel it. I might be adding a foreground decoration though. So like if you notice this lamp here, I think I might want to make it a foreground thing, right, that you can actually touch. Oh hey, thanks for the follow. Thank you so much. Let me put back the BGM. Yeah. But this is definitely the point in development where I feel a little bit stuck. Okay, let me just tweak the value. Pulsing amount. What's my shader say? Shader step. Anything. Wait. Where is it? Where's my step? Here. Pulse amount. Anything lesser than pulse amount will result in a 0 here. Okay. Pulsing amount. Oh damn! Do I need to try it out? I cannot make sense of what I'm trying to do. Just a moment. Paint. Okay. Let's take a look at the orb itself. goes from 1.0 to 0.0 on the edge. Okay. Oh. Right. Does it mean I need the 1.0 minus this? Wait. What am I doing? Let me try this nonsense. I want to see what happens. Sorry, brain's not working. Let me just do some trial and error. I will mute the music here. Oh my god. Yeah, yep. I'm coloring the wrong part of the screen. Excuse me. Try another time. Hello Captain Blade, how are you doing? As you can see, right, I'm I'm still working on the background. I'm redoing it. I'm redoing it. Doing great. Hey, that's nice to hear. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and work out this background for a short while, right? And then afterwards I have to prep for my part-time job. Okay. Oh no, I can't see the background anymore. Everything is going wrong. Let me think. Step function states that anything lesser than the pulse amount. Wait, let me think. Anything bigger than 0.4 will be here. Anything. Oh! Okay. Wait. No, I don't get it. You added all the items for the demo today, and all of them works perfectly. Even though you would use perfectly. Wait, what? All of them works perfectly. Never, though you would use perfectly and worked in the same sentence. I added all the items for the demo today. Are you distributing the demo? I assume you're distributing the demo? Oh, I would love to take a look, man. I see. You just did the items. I see. I want to map from... Oh, I get it. I want to map from 0.4 to 0.0. Not 1.0. What am I doing? It helps to just draw it out, right? It helps to just draw it out. Hello, Chow. Yeah, I got it pulsing. So now I just need another layer for that. Need another layer behind for that. I'm trying to do something like like in my previous game, like in Jump Over the Rings, where I have like star fields in the background. So let me just do this. Okay, kind of see it pulse. I wonder if I need to blur the texture more to get a better effect. Okay, first and foremost, I want to make it move slower. So I want to make it move slower. Well, one way of doing it is just to do it in the shader, I guess. So I have an elapse here. Pulse, no, F elapse times 0.1. Wow. Right, magic number time 0.05. I also would like to try something. I would like to dump the shader, not shader, the texture, the input texture. Blur it a little bit. I want to see if it gives me a better result. Because these are all just like brushes, right? Drawn in. I want to see if I can get a more pronounced effect if I do a blur. What would be a good one? Gaussian blur? Magic number time where we put in numbers that will massively confuse our future self later. Yeah! It doesn't blur much. Why? Ah! If it is this blur, hopefully it will look better. Okay. I'm going to save this, but I don't want to overwrite my original one, so I'm going to call it BG3. Okay, BG3. I'm going to replace it here. Maybe this blurred one would help. If I can get this done right, I want to work on the new mechanic. I really want to get this thing done. Am I going to make the bubbles different color? I'm going to tweak the intensity a bit because it's a bit hard to tell it's there now. Yeah, I got a better response from a more blurred texture. That's good. I want to keep it monochromic though, which is like it shouldn't stand out too much. It should be like more or less the same tone. Same. I'm not sure tone is the right word, but color shouldn't be too different from the background. Is what I meant to say. What's the new mechanic? I want to make some changes to the key. So you know, like there are keys in the game, right? And the keys will unlock the door. And if there are like multiple keys in the level, you have to collect all of them to reveal the door. So I want to make a special key, right, where the keys don't all appear in the level right from the get-go. You kind of have to collect them in sequence. So if you collect the first key, right, the second key will appear somewhere else. If you collect the second key, the third key will appear somewhere else. I want to do something like that. So that means, right, I can make levels where I can force the player to go back and forth multiple times, right, along the same path. Yeah, I thought that might be interesting. It's a simple mechanic. Yeah, I'm trying to do all the simple stuff first. If the game does well enough, right, then you know, I can make like add-on contents. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. Hopefully it turns out okay. But otherwise, I'll end up having to scrap it. I think it's pulsing better now once I blurred the texture, which is a bit surprising. Yeah, like didn't think that the solution would just be to blur it. So once I have this boss, it's still a bit empty, right? So I'm going to have another layer in the background. I'll fill it up a little bit more. You know, the scary thing about having this background, right, the color tone be so similar to the background is that different devices have like different color setting. So I don't really know how it will look on another display device. I have to test it. I have to check how it looks on the iPad. Yeah, I'll have to check it. DLC POC. Yeah, but DLC I'll only work on them if the game has promise, like if enough people are like playing it, and if it is bringing in enough revenue. Otherwise, it probably would be a better idea, like from a business standpoint, right, to work on a new thing. Yeah, because my goal is to eventually become sustainable, like just from making games. So I hope to work towards that goal. It's difficult though. It's difficult. You have the same goal. Yay! That's great. Glad to have found a comrade. Yeah, so like I feel like one of my biggest weaknesses is that I'm really slow at development. I'm super slow, which is why like in the recent years I've tried to force myself to make at least one thing a year. So like about 3 years ago I released Zero Scramblers. Then on iOS. Then the following year I released it on Steam, and then the next year I released it on Switch. So it's kind of like one thing a year, right? But I feel like it's a little bit, I'm kind of cheating a bit because it's all the same IP. So I'm modifying the rule. I want to make a new IP per year. I hope I can achieve that goal. Oops. Lucius, please, I'm not 39. 1 year away from... No, Lucius is just kidding. I'm not 39. I'm not. I mean, I'm not young anymore, but I'm not 39, come on. Yellow Gear. If I were to make... I mean, Yellow Gear is just a silly one-off title. Actually, can you tell me why you would like Yellow Gear? Because like, to me, right, Yellow Gear is one of the most throwaway project that I've ever made. Like, it's not anything special, right? Like, what do you feel you like about it? Then maybe I can, once I know the reason, I can expand on that. That's what the 39 oh no! Oh no! Oh no, this is a running gag now. Everyone thinks I'm actually 39. I don't have the experience of a 39 years old. Okay, still a bit bland. The background is still quite bland, so the what was I gonna say? Right, the plan. The plan here is to have another layer of background. Hey, where's my other texture? Oh, this one. Have another background. I might have to blur this also. Let me try to blur this so I get a nicer pulsing effect. Right, so I can like kind of spread these values across a wider radius, and which will give me a more distinct, a more elaborate animation when I do the pulsing. So Gaussian blur time. Wow, I can't see a thing. You think this will work? I have to make sure that there isn't anything cut off. Otherwise, I can see like weird edges in the game. I'm not sure if this part here is okay or not. I hope it is. Okay then, let's save it. So my previous method includes sending an array of positions into the shader, right? And then rendering and then performing the rendering based on the distance from the points that I sent to the shader. And it runs okay like on my computer, but when I bring it to my low-end Android device, the performance is pretty crappy. It's just pretty terrible. So that's another benefit to changing my approach, I guess. Give me a moment, Give me a moment. Someone just approached me about work. Okay. The only game you have fully finished is a Pong copy you made like 4 days ago that you will never publish. Pong is a great start. I believe every developer must at least try making Pong first. Cause the shooting is pretty juicy and the boss attack is fun to dodge. Okay. If that is the strong point, then I'll work on that once I decided to make like a Mega Man like game. What was I doing again? Damn, that message that I got from work kind of threw me off. What was I doing? Oh right, I need to save this. Okay. To be fair, you have only been working with GML seriously for a few months. Ah, I see. Have you used any other middleware before? Like any other game engines? You use C++ a little bit for school. Oh, nice! C++. Yeah, so C++ with OpenGL for the rendering. So it's definitely a bit tougher to get things started. You literally use code blocks. The code blocks, the IDE. IDE. It was pain. I see. Code blocks. Yeah, you're referring to the IDE, right? Code blocks compiler. Ah, I see. I think I've used it before. Hang on. I used the IDE though, the entire text editor and everything. Let me see. You try Unreal. Oh, okay. You use this, right? Code blocks. Wow, I'm surprised. I'm surprised schools are using this when like Visual Studio is available. That's cool. That's very cool. I thought this. I wasn't aware that it's still being updated. To be honest, that's amazing. These are all the compilers. Clang. This app gives you pain. I remember using this. I was having my internship. Like that was many years ago, more than a decade ago. I was having my internship in a company that primarily like works with Linux, right? All their workstation is Linux machines, and the only IDE I can run on the Linux machine is code blocks. Yeah. Prior to that point, I was using Visual Studio, but that was only on Windows machines. Good times. Not so long ago. Anyways, GLSL. Let me see if I can work this in. I need to import this one. Wow. And I need to have a separate texture sampler. It's called sampler 2. And let's call this UVs2. Okay, that's 2 of them. Hang on, let me just give a time where I need to log off. Let's see. It's 6 now. Let's see. I might have to go off at 6:40, I guess. 6:40. Because I have some like part-time job stuff that I need to handle. Alright, let's get this started. Bum, 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 bum. I should probably cache all of this instead of doing this every stream. BG2. You had to make Pong with code blocks. For a school project, you had to write all of the collision manually. Hey, good times. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing with not using an engine, right? You have to write everything from scratch. Yeah, in some sense, it's also kind of fun. Just figuring out how things work, you know, beneath the engine. That's kind of fun. It was fun to a certain extent. To a certain extent. After a while, it just becomes tedious. I got this. Okay. Okay. Okay, did I get it correct? I'll just run it first, see if there's any compile errors. Okay, now let's have the background layer, or rather my second layer. I call it layers, but essentially I'm just taking all the information and then drawing it onto the background in one pass. So let's see, convert world space position to texture space. I have this here. Oh, I need a second one. Oh damn. I need this. Part 2. Excuse me. To copy and pasting. Okay. I have this here. Let's call this BG2. Wow, there's so much copy and pasting. It's 2. No, I don't really have like a very deep understanding of hardware, so I for the life of me I couldn't quite figure out why my previous approach of sending in a few dozen circles to the shader, right, and then drawing the circle based on the distance from the given point. I couldn't figure out why that was so expensive on my Android phone. Is it the for loop? Is that the loop? Or is it like because I'm drawing a lot of pixels to the screen? Like, well, what's going on? No idea. I probably should do some profiling, but I'm not sure how to profile a game on the mobile phone. Yeah, if anyone's aware right now, I'd love to know how. Okay, let's see. I got this part here. Okay, what do I do now? I have background 2. Let me see. Oh damn, how do I do that in the shader? How do I have both layers in the shader? Let me think. I have my first layer like that, right? This is the orbs. Layer 1. I have my second layer with smaller dots, smaller ones. Layer 2. Okay. Can I just add them? Let me see. Hang on here. Let's just add lots of stuff together. I wonder if there'll be any like weird side effect if if the sum of like these two colors, right, result in any components being bigger than 1.0. Don't know. Let's just put 0.5 here. Not sure if it should be the same color, to be honest. It probably should not be the same color. How about if I just multiply by like 0.7? So ugly. Alright, I have this. It's probably horrifying to whoever's watching this. Okay. Am I even doing it right? Okay, first and foremost, I should not be doing it like this. It's not FT, it's wait. Yo, what was I saying? Oh no, I'm just saying that my code is horrible. I'm trying to draw a second layer into the background. Yeah, but I'm not entirely sure how I should go about doing it. Like, can I just add them together? But if I were to add these two colors together, the overlapping parts will become a lot brighter. So I wonder if that is a good side effect. Yeah. Relatable. Yeah, I have to think about this. In any case, right, this is completely wrong. I need to let me just think about this. Oh, I see. Okay, FT2. BG2. So I have to do it like this. I think my second layer will be so dark I can barely see it. Yeah, I can't see it. I need to make everything brighter. Hang on, what if I just keep it the same color for now? I need to be sure that it's actually visible. It could be that the pulse amount is too small for my second texture. I can't see it. Can't see a bloody thing. Okay, fine. Just put 1.0. Want to see what happens. Oops, no. No. What am I doing? I'ma just do this. I want to see if this actually works. I want to see if the UV actually works. It's there, you can kind of see it. It's there. Right, this soft spots is there. I think it's my quantization pass. It's the step event. No, it's not the event, sorry. It's the step function that is... It's the argument into the step function that might be a bit too big. Oh, that's possible. That's possible. So anything smaller than this will be rendered as 0. So what if I do like multiply 1.5? Also, do I need to make this top vertically? Oh, it is top vertically already. Can't see it. I can't see them. Wow. Can't see it. Why is it? Wait, hang on. Let me check. What's the value? Color picker, please. Oh, it's I, right? There we go. Okay, what's the value? Oh, it's too dark. That's why. 23. Okay. Let me import the other one. The brighter one. See what happens. Okay, it's in the background, alright. Pulsing kind of works, but is it because of this big VAT number I put in here? Also, what's up with the colors? Why is the color so off? Yeah, it's barely pulsing. Do I recommend BFXR? Yes, I do. In fact, there is also some other tools that I would recommend. In fact, there's one that was recommended to me by Chocolips. Let me just so Chocolips always join us during the dev chat on Sunday. There's one that he recommended. I will now recommend to you. Let me look for the folder. Yeah, just a moment. Okay. So, BFXR is good. But LabChirp. There's this program called LabChirp. LabChirp. That has more presets. So if let's run it. There's a lot more presets. So this is the program. The interface is not very friendly for someone who's not like familiar with audio. Like myself, right? The audio is a bit. I mean, not the audio. The interface is quite overwhelming. But all you need to do is you just click on randomizer, and then you select a preset. Let's go with a cute preset, right? And then let's mute this. And then you just randomize. You just wait a bit. And there we go. You see, there's all kinds of presets that you can use. That's the raw. Look at that. Look at that. Star power. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. The number of presets is rather astonishing. Yeah. So Chow recommended this, and yeah, I think this is pretty good, so I'll recommend this to you. LabChirp. Looks pork, yeah. LabChirp. You should check it out. The presets is amazing. What else are there? There's the jungle ambience. Look at that. It's crazy, right? That you can generate stuff like this. It's all generated. It's amazing. Now we can make like jungle levels. Amazing. It's insane, right? Yeah, it's insane. Prior to Chow recommending this to me, right, I was using BFXR. Yeah, but now I'm using LabChirp. There's also another one called chip tone. The presets are a lot more limited, but you can apply effects to the generated audio. So, chip tone. Let me just bring it over. Where you can do like zap, and then you can apply arpeggio to the zap. Then you can change the different. You can change the note for it also. Yeah, so it has some nice customization interface, right? But the presets are a lot more limited. Yeah, that's that. The UI looks great, right? Yeah, I really enjoyed the UI for chiptone. It's just unfortunate that the presets are not that varied. Yeah. Okay, now I'm looking at this and wondering why. Why is the color so different? I thought I put it the same color. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Let me just get a drink of water first. The weather here is crazy. It's crazy hot and humid. Okay. Okay. Why is the color so different? Watch time. Oh, I guess I don't have the command for that. The stream has been going on for an hour and 11 minutes. Yeah, okay. So I kind of have something I liked. I need to tweak it more, is what I feel. So let me think. I need to tweak it more. I do not know why the hue of my second layer is like completely different. It has to be a careless mistake somewhere. FT2 multiply back 4. Yeah, I don't get it. Oh, because it's always added to this background color. Got it. I got it. Because it's always added to the background color. Ah, I see. I see. But you know what? I want to take a screenshot of that. So if I ever need that color, I can just hardcode it in. Just a moment. Let me get my snipping tool ready. So I got that color by accident. So alright, it's time. Capture this. There you go. I'll save this just in case I need it. The snipping tool. I'm sorry, was that a flashbang just now? It wiped out the entire screen. No. Okay. I think what I need to do is this. I'll take the minimum. Of either 1 minus FT or 1 minus FT2. Right? That way I will not accidentally get that effect. But I will have to manually change the color of the orbs. Better to change it manually than to rely on like addition of colors to get that final outcome. Okay, so okay, so it's kind of there. Pulsing is not enough, definitely. Also, I get weird artifacts like this. Damn. Let me think. Which one should stay in front? One of the layers needs to be behind, so I don't like accidentally blend two colors together. One of them needs to stay behind. It probably makes more sense that the big one stays behind, right? Big one should be behind. but okay, I want to try something. I want to import. I want to make the background, the second background 2 to be exactly the same as the first background, but inverted. So I'm going to invert it. Oh, not inverted, but rather like flipped horizontally. I'm going to flip it horizontally like that. Okay. And then flip vertically as well. Flip vertically. Mirrored, I guess. There we go. So it's like just pretend it's a new image. Then I'll use this, right, but with different arguments into the step event to make it smaller. Hello Ixik! Wow, it's 3 AM! Why aren't you sleeping? 3 AM. Very good morning to you. Hello. Programming your boy at 3 AM gone wrong. You've got nothing to do today, so why sleep? Ah, I see. Doing anything? Playing any games? No, I see. Just gonna fix this. Gonna do this. Wait, this is wrong. Is it wrong? Let me think. You're like lightheaded, but you feel full and empty at the same time. That's not a good feeling. Maybe you should go and lie down for a bit. You got Kazuha. What's Kazuha? Are you talking about Genshin? You're just gonna watch Loki and other Disney movie like Aladdin. Ah, I see. Loki! Oh, I haven't been following Marvel in a while. Loki. We're trying to finish Shovel Knight at the moment. Oh! That's a modern classic. Shovel Knight. Apparently they make it really authentic to the NES art style, right? And the palette is exactly the NES palette. Oh, that's amazing, man. Okay, I just need to figure out this part. Let me think. I will not draw this one if this is in front. So that means... I can't think. You don't watch Marvel, but people really hype Loki, and you haven't found any good anime yet. I like anime as well. I don't watch as much these days because of work, but is there any particular anime that you really like? Oh hey, thanks for the follow. X3B00D502. Wow, that's quite a name. Hello, Doggo looks scarf, yeah. How's it going? I used to watch Marvel, but after Endgame you stopped for some reason. Could it be fatigue? Right, I mean, like, you have been following the saga for so many years, right? And then you feel like, oh, it's ended on a pretty good note, you know. Now's the time for me to move on to something else, I suppose. Dog is always busy. Yeah, it's pretty busy, man, having to juggle part-time work and this. But that's just life. I'm more of a DC person, but the DC movies are not very good. Yeah, I prefer the DC animated stuff. You found another streaming with your Isaac. Yeah, this is a common avatar. So I'm just using this avatar because I don't want to show my face. DC animated is progress. Yeah, it's awesome. It's great, man. Batman TAS, it's amazing. I grew up watching that and Batman Beyond. Although the version that they brought, like they named the Batman Beyond Batman of the Future, I think. Like in certain countries it's named Batman of the Future rather than Batman Beyond. Yeah, but that was great also. You could just show nothing if you really don't want to. Some people just don't have anything there. You could just show nothing if you really don't want to. Some people just don't. Anything there. Oh, the model? Yeah, I suppose. No one has your model. So, wow, X3B, why so mean? There's this recent thing, right? Like with V-Right Studio. Right, like a lot of people got into it. It's cool. I think it's this creative movement is always nice. That people are trying to do something creative, put it out on stream. It's pretty cool. Personally, I just want to work on my game, and I feel like having an avatar makes it easier, like to have a conversation. I think because it gives a face, right, to the voice. Remember that one time the Chuck E. Cheese puppet says progress without knowing what it meant? So they sounded audibly scared. Yeah. Black White Titan, your stream avatar is hyper realistic. Yeah, because that's your real face. Yeah. I just couldn't. I'm like super camera shy. Also, I have really bad posture, so I don't want it to show up on stream. This is how I sit. Like this is the chair here. This is my chair. This is how I sit. This is my desk. This is the computer. I guess I sit like this. Woo! Oh yeah, let me give you a shout out, Black White Titan. Black White does like a very cool looking horror game that is made in the Unreal Engine. It's really cool. You wonder if anyone actually has made the realistic model of themselves as an avatar? Yeah, I wonder. Oh, but isn't there this streamer called Code Miko? I thought her avatar is like extremely, well, I wouldn't say extremely, but it's pretty realistic, right? And it captures her movement really well. Am I a No, I don't actually watch her, but I've like there was this Polygon article about her, right? So I checked it out a little bit. You have made a mistake. Oh no, what have you done? Okay, anyways, I need to figure out what to put in front of this. You followed at 67 followers in the... Oh damn, you could have been the 69th follower. Next up would be next milestone will be 420, I guess. Alrighty then. Okay, what's this? So this one is definitely wrong. How do I do this? No wait, this is correct. This is correct, this is correct. Let's give it a shot, man. Oh no, what happened to my code? Hang on. Ah, damn. Something I don't understand is the GLSL's like how strict they are with your data type. I have to put a 1.0 here rather than 1. Okay. According to your feed, the exit is 69. Oh damn, I made a mistake again. What did I do wrong? Line 46. What did I... Oh! Damn it. Okay, there we go. Anime girls with glasses. Okay. I suppose so. Alright, let's check this out. I cannot see my other circles, what the hell? Oh wait, I broke it. Hang on. Times 0.5. There we go. Example 1, insert example. No, my avatar is that of the doggo, not an anime girl. Alright, let's see. Okay, I got something in. I need to animate it at different speed. Also, I need to change the color of the circle because it's a bit... Oh, hang on. How do I decide between the color? I mean, how do I decide what color to put? I do not want to mess up the readability of the level, that is for sure. But I also want the background to at least be visible. Difficult choice. Let me think. What are y'all doing? Come on. Hang on, let me check the time. Oh crap, 6:40 already. Okay, I'll do a bit more and then I'll have to go in probably 10 to 15 minutes. But at least it's sort of working. So to make the oh, okay, hang on. I need to change this part. Normalize Y2. To make one of the layer go a bit faster, I need to multiply by a bigger number. So I'm gonna try like 0.1 here. As you can see, all magic numbers, all hard-coded. Okay, let me run it. Late, yeah. Why do people give you subs? They are feeling nice, maybe? Okay, now there's 2 layers. I just need to settle the color. First and foremost, I need the 2 layers to be of different colors, that's for sure. Also, I need this to be even smaller, 2.5. Sorry, how much will it cost? You're willing to pay $5 no less. If you want more, you give more. What do you mean? Eh? I just made the ball bigger. What? I thought I wanted them smaller. Oh, damn. Okay. To make them smaller, it's multiplied by a bigger number. Oh, so unintuitive. Okay. Just make all the balls bigger. I want them smaller. Smaller balls, please. Oh, it's too small. Damn it. Can't see them. Oh no. Too small. 1.2? 5? Smaller balls, please, yes. I think, yeah, I guess. Wow, but the pulsing is crazy, man. Why does it pulse so much? I blurred it too much, that's why. I blurred it too much. Now it's super distracting. Damn! Okay, never mind. Let me just import this one then. Out of context. What is 0.84 for? Yeah, now we can kind of see something very small in the background. I want to change this color to be a bit more intense. Definitely make them more intense. So, like, I had a lot of worries, right? Like, previously, the meta ball, I made the color, like, super close to the background because I was afraid that I couldn't, like, read the foreground elements properly during gameplay. But if the balls are really small, right, I think it's fine. If the balls are really small, I think it should not matter too much. Maybe, I don't know. Let me try to make a new version of that particular background. This time I want to blur it only a little bit. Oh crap, not this. Actually, what's the difference between normal blur and Gaussian blur? Let me just blur it a bit. Something like that, maybe? A bit lesser. You know what? 2.0 is fine. 2.0, save it. Background 5. Yeah. Background 5, let's re-import this. Okay, go back. This one, let's undo this part first, let's see what happens. Excuse me. Yeah, I guess I can. Oh, I have to strain my eyes. I can barely see them. I'm not sure if you can even see it on the stream. It's these tiny dots that's barely visible. It's pulsing though, so I like that. It is pulsing. It's time to change the color so I can, so we can at least see what's there. I don't feel very smart about like hard coding the colors in like this. Maybe I should send it in as a uniform. Should I? Nah, never mind. Let's figure out the color. Let's figure out the color. There we go. This color, right? This color. Should I just send in the color like this? 4594 112. 4594 112, 4594 112, 4594 112, 45. You know what? I should maybe at least do this. Vector 3. Small ball color. Alright. Okay. 4594 112. Values have to be normalized, so I'm gonna divide by 255. 4594 112 divided by 255. Okay. And then I'll do this. I don't know if this alpha channel here, like, can I just leave it as 1.0? But we'll see. Okay, so I can't. I forgot the syntax. Do I need to do this? RGB. Yeah, screw it. As long as it works. Okay, that's one. There we go. That's two. Yeah. Let's run this. What's this music? Blocking the sky. Aurora. Approaching Nirvana. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How's this? Let's jam. I might want to make it a little bit more faint. I think it's a little bit too intense. I guess I can do this like 8.5. Then one thing I have to do is wait, what was I gonna do again? We're jamming, yeah, we're jamming. Wait, what was I trying to do? Yes, I need to change this. I need to make it bigger, maybe. Bigger. To make it bigger, I have to multiply by a smaller number. That's the unintuitive part, right? Let me try. I think it needs to be a bit more faint. Let's try this again. Is there? I think it's there. Should I make the circles a bit brighter also? Probably not. Try. Let me just put the music in. It stops pulsing when I enter the door. Hang on, Why is that happening? Why is that happening? Oh crap. Crap. Sorry, what kind of music do I normally listen to? I I don't always listen to music, but when I do, it's like, you know, video game soundtracks. Well, I sometimes listen to Queen and Michael Jackson. Yeah, but at the moment I'm listening to like the OST of Axiom Verge. I love electronic music as well. Hey! Awesome! Should the background go faster? I've yet to do the dynamic music, right? Like, I have done the music switching. I should put it in somehow. You know what, maybe I should get rid of the big balls, just have small balls everywhere. Yeah, maybe I should do that. Just have small balls. Big balls just doesn't really look right, I feel. You mostly listen to video game OST as well, and they are always inspiring. Yeah, I know, right? It's great, man. What other good... I do listen to the Metroid soundtrack as well. As a recent one, if I like the game, right, then I will end up listening to the OST. That's how it works. But there's this indie one made by Way Forward. River City Girls is not bad, I feel. Hollow Knight's OST. Ah, I see. I've yet to play Hollow Knight, so I'll definitely like check it out at some point. Hollow Knight. I think the cool thing about Hollow Knight that the first impression like I have, right, when I saw the game is the controls reminds me of DuckTales, right, and that's a good thing. Undertale OST. Oh yes, Undertale OST is great. Undertale OST is great. The melody is so strong in all of the different tracks. Like, the melody is super strong. What are you doing, Lucius? And Deltarune. Oh yeah, I've yet to play that one. Deltarune. Undertale did a pretty good job of like subverting expectations. Like because we played so many games, we expect things to work a certain way, right? But the game always tried to throw a curveball at you. I thought it's pretty cool. Oh, this one is pretty soft. Hang on. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's 7. Maybe I'll call it here. I kind of have something I liked already. I just need to tweak the colors, tweak the size of the balls, and then it'll be more or less done. Game mechanics being actual part of the game world was really clever too. Oh right, yeah, agree. Make it blue balls. Lucius, come on. It's already bluish. I'm going to change the color of the yellow one to blue also. Friday night jumping. Oh, I have not actually played that rhythm game. Friday night funking, right? That one. Was on Newgrounds, I think. I've not actually played it. Is it good? Was it good? It seems to be very popular at the moment. You haven't played either. Yeah, I used to play Stepmania. Like, there was like this someone made this DDR-like game, but you play it on your keyboard. And the fan, like there's this community that just keeps uploading music that you can download and play. Rhythm Doctor. Oh yes, I played that one. Rhythm Doctor is awesome. It is. I'm quite astonished at like how they implemented this like one-touch controls. Everything is one button. It's crazy. Now that one I played. Lucius got the game for me, so I played it. That's pretty good. Thanks, Lucius. Jaboa, Reader, Doctor Collab. No, I'm a no-name. I'm a no-namer. I cannot just go and collab with someone so big. Both just have one button. Oh, that is true. That's true. That's true, I forgot about that. Hey, don't downgrade myself. Thanks, man. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just remove this. I have to think about this. Kalazar! Hello! I'm about to go actually. How's it going? How's your game coming along? Are you done with the key bindings? Are you still working on your UI? Hang on, I'm a little bit stuck. Key binding do be a pain. Yeah, I agree. Anything related to UI is always painful for me. It's not just about the coding, the design is also a little bit like difficult. Oh man, I can't think. What do I do here? Okay, I'll just do random stuff. Wow, that's really long. Let me just lower it. Okay. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. I cannot have the balls be that big anymore, so maybe I will use a separate texture. I'll use BG5 and then I will cheat by rotating it around. How do I rotate? Come on, rotate. Here, flipped first, followed by rotate. Save it. Alright, I cheated. Been procrastinating, but you know how you're doing all this. It's just actually getting it done. Right. Getting it done is the difficult part, right? Yeah. I'm working on a top-down shooter. Cool. Background color 2. Naming it color is a little bit misleading because I just want to get the gray value. Should call it BG value rather than BG color. Let me just rename it. BG value 2. There you go. Okay, much better. Ball color is this. Melee, so a bit like a hack and slash, right? Or beat them up, right? Yeah, I like some good hack and slash action. I was playing Momodora. Oh man, it feels so good. Let's get to work. Yeah, man. Have fun working. I'll be gone in like 5 minutes, I think. I just need to get it through my head on how to finish this part. Yeah, it's almost dinner time here. It's like 7:09 PM. Yeah, never end stream on time. Yeah, it's difficult. It's like maybe I can finish this in 5 minutes, and then when the time is up, you'll be like, maybe I just need another 5 minutes. You know, it's always like that. Okay, I have them as the same color, which is not good, I think. Let's have them be the same size, I guess. Have them be the same size. One of them has to be significantly darker. The one in the back will be darker than the one in the front. So something like this, 5-5. Oh, this is not right. This is not right. What color? Oh damn. What color did I have before? Let me check version control. Here. Ah, bright, so bright. Okay, 45, 0.45. Oh, what's up? It's exactly like getting out of bed. Yeah, agree. My eyes. Did you tell me a brief of yours? No, you have not. You might have listed it in the design document, but I have not like read that part of the document. Oh, what's the story gonna be? Oh man, it's so bright. It's so bright. Why is it so bright? What's your story gonna be like? 0.45, 0.9. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Things in the far background has to move slower, right? So, far background has to move slower. Okay. Let's bump up the speed for everything. I'm not changing the color, I'm just changing the alpha value, and then I'm relying on it blending with the background. I wonder if that's okay. How's that? It's not that bad, right? I guess. I think it can be a bit more faint. Let's have the background be a bit smaller. Oh, you have not put that part in, I see. But it's just an idea for the player to be bandits, and they choose from a wanted. Oh, hang on, let me mute my own game first. Choose from a wanted bounty bot thingy. Oh, cool. Kinda like taking on a quest. which will have a picture of the boss with your difficulty rank rating, and that's how levels will be selected with rewards and stuff. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. That sounds very you know, RPG. Like you go to a guild, right, and then you select the quest. I like that. That's nice. That's very nice. This boss looking so much better. Hey, thanks, man. I still want to change the positioning of one of the layers because I'm actually using the exact same texture but flipped and mirrored. Yeah, so I'll need to change the positioning of certain walls. And thank you for the feedback. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, you were right. You mentioned that the previous one was a bit random, right? It's like I gave myself some time, some distance from what I've done, right? I look at it again and I realized that, yeah, the blotches, you know, the different patches that the meta ball form doesn't really look very good. So I decided to redo it. Yeah, they're less in your face and make a nicer background element, so it feels better for the intended purpose. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, thanks for your feedback. It does make me think a bit more about how I should approach this. I just need to change some of the positioning of the balls a bit, so it's a bit more even. Like, one of the things that's bugging me now is there seems to be this concentration of balls in the center, which is not that great. You can kind of see a lot of like balls really close together in the center. So I need to space it out a bit more. You can still kind of see the pulsing, which is what I want. Oh crap. This approach is probably will also perform better on the mobile phone as well, because I'm not like looping through all the different meta balls. Okay, one thing I need to fix is when I go through the door, everything stops pulsing and it comes across as a little bit distracting. So why does that happen? Something to do with my delta time. Hang on. Delta time. After I'm done with this, I can probably break for dinner. Where's my... Where is it? Oh, there we go, here. There we go, it's DT2, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now what if you change the shape based on the color theme? You know what? That's a good idea. That's a good idea. And like a diamond for eyes level. I probably don't have the time like to have like very intricate themes, like, you know, like ice or fire or stuff like that. I think like the change in I will probably try to have like different color palette for like different worlds maybe. But yeah, you're right. I can try and have different shapes. I can try and have different shapes. Diamond shape would be nice. Diamond shapes would be nice. I just wonder how I would go about making it pulse. I wonder if Gaussian blur would work on the diamond shape. It should, right? I think it should. I think it should. So the pulsing works, right, with this gradient. Like the gradient here. You can kind of see, right, the intensity is more intense in the middle, and as it goes towards the edge of the circle, it becomes dark. So it goes from like whitish color to black. And in the shader, all I'm defining is I define a number so the shader will know, like based on that number, it will know how big the ball should go. Something like that. my explanation sucks. But yeah. Different shapes, yeah. I'll try that. I hope I'll be able to do that. I think I know what I can do also. Like when it piles, right, maybe I can change the intensity of the color a little bit. That could work. Okay, I think it's time. Oh my god, it's 7:20. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably play through one world. I'll put up the... Hang on, let me just... I'll put up one word in there. So there's a few things I need to do, right? I need to change the positioning of the background texture a little bit so it's more evenly distributed. That's one thing. Another thing is I want to change the intensity of the color. I want to animate the intensity of the color. Yeah, but not to the point where it affects the readability of the game. That's for sure. So yeah, so I guess that's about the recap, right? I got the new background. So let's try playing this new world. And let's see if it's okay. Yeah, I might need to make it a little bit more faint as well. Oh crap, I missed one collectible. There you go. Seems fine. Oh, this one is a... Oh, I managed to kill it. I didn't know that can happen. I killed it by accident. Oops. I think I might change the intensity of the circles a little bit so it blends in the background a bit more. Maybe. Might need some time to think about this. There you go. There you go. Ah, this is the messy level. Oh crap, I killed myself. Hang on. Okay. I want to get a collectible up there. There we go. Oh, I forgot one collectible. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, this one is not hard. Woohoo! Okay, that's it. Yes! Okay, so I'm going to tweak the background a little bit. I want to make sure that the color is not as intense. I think the color now is a bit... It stands out a little bit too much, I feel. I want to blend it a bit more into the background. Yeah, I'll test it out. I'll probably need to release a new testing build, get more people to play it and give feedback. Yeah. Okay. I think I will end it here. Hey, thanks everyone. Thanks everyone for dropping by, and thanks for the follows and stuff. Yeah, thanks man. I'll see you all again very soon. I'll be back to continue work on this. So, yeah. Sad cat. Thanks again. Thanks Captain Blade. I'll see you all. Goodbye.